This is my house after we have been sick for a week. How it looks. So yeah, I won't get the notion that my house be like clean all the time. So we've been sick for a week. So Ishmael have drugged me with NyQuil, and he went old school, rubbed me down with this. Well, took these. I have been taking Advil PM. We got so many of those. And now he's sick. So the man is sick. You remember when I told you these things? I thought I was allergic. No, I was coming down with the flu. Okay? So this happened. And this happened. So yeah, the flu. A bad cold. I ain't gonna call it the flu. A bad cold. So this is all over here. But I got strength to get up. You know you see it when you could take this and NyQuil and still don't sleep. Because you can't breathe. Okay. This have been my trash bag for this week. When Ishmael get up, I'm going to make up that bed and clean up this room. This is the hallway. You see all that? That's my son who give everybody the damn get sick. Every time he gets sick, I get sick. I think I get symphony sick. Okay, this is how everything is looking. Just bad. So I'm finna put all this stuff in the baskets. I'm gonna try to do a lot of clothes. Yep, so this is my house and I'll show it to you when I'm cleaning. Enjoy the video, you guys. Be blessed. And let me start my laundry. Okay. Okay guys, as I stated, I was sick in this video, so I just did a load of laundry and I found myself getting right back in that bed. So the next day is when I made up the bed. I did not go and do the bathroom, so forgive me for showing y'all my next bathroom. But I did screen it up, but I didn't film it because my battery was low. So enjoy the video, you guys, and be blessed. And it's just a refresh of that the bedroom that I showed you last time. I'm just screening it up on a Monday morning because Sunday I went and got right back in that bed. I am still trying to fight off this cold. Be blessed, you guys, and I'll see you next time.